friends, welcome back to Yoshita's World. I'm going to be doing a puppet show and it's called The Wrong Play, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy it and I'm wondering to use one character. It is Mrs. Grumpy Pants, and I'm going to be showing her a lot in the video. And you need characters for the puppet show if you already know what's a puppet show, and it's kind of different what's a wrong play. You could use any characters around your house or make one out of recycling materials. So I'm going to start and I hope you enjoy it. Hi, my name is Mrs. Grumpy Pants, and this is a play about, hi friends, Teddy. Wait, Teddy, this is not a forest. Go, please, go. Thank you. I really appreciate it. My name is Mrs. Grumpy Pants, and this is a play about, hi, friends. What Barbie? This is not your dream house. Now go play. My name is Mrs. Grumpy Pants, and this is a play about, hi friends. Bee, what are you doing here? This is not your beehive. Go, please. Thank you. Like I said, my name is Mrs. Grumpy Pants, and this is a play about, hi friends. What? Sky, this is not Paw Patrol, please. Go, please. Like I said, my name is Mrs. Grumpy Pants, and this is a play about, hi friends, Rat! Elsa, this is not Frozen Buoy, let it go. My name is Mrs. Grumpy Pants, and this is a play about, hi friends. What, Anna, your sister's not here, please, and I always saw her, but I don't know where she goes. Now go, please, Anna. Thank you. My name is Mrs. Grumpy Pants, and this is a play about me. And guys, you could show it to your family when you're done practicing. So I hope you enjoy it, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you want more videos, just subscribe. Bye friends, see you in another video.